Honorable Speaker, the Minister asserts that he was at the airport to receive them. I don't know if it was at the airport. I'm assuming it's at the airport. Maybe he can clarify. And if there would be any evidence, I would propose, Honorable Speaker, that through the relevant committee, that evidence be adduced to give the House the comfort that indeed the Minister was at hand to receive them. Honorable Speaker, because this is an open engagement, I have a text message I have received from somebody who says he's a sports photographer. I choose not to read his name. And he says, I would like to inform that even the current Team Kenya in Budapest were not issued with running shoes or spikes. Athlete had to source old spikes or borrow from friends. Honorable Speaker, maybe because part C of the question was asking what measures the ministry is taking to ensure that the ill treatment of athletes and other sportsmen do not recur again. Probably the minister should also give specific measures that he has taken. If the minister needs the support of this House, those are some of the things maybe we would want to hear, so that when we engage on budget making process in the course of the later this year from October, the sports committee and the budget committee members who are represented here can then note some of the things that they need to support the minister with.